In mechanic environments, foot protection, comfort, and stability are non-negotiable. Workers spend long hours standing, walking on uneven surfaces, and navigating slippery shop floors, often around heavy machinery and hot metal. The right work shoe can reduce fatigue, prevent injuries, and maintain productivity. This comparative
List number 1. Skechers Men's Kangton Steel Toe Electrical. The Skechers Kangton Steel Toe construction shoe is positioned as a durable, safety-focused option for men working in industrial settings. Key features include steel toe protection, electrical hazard safety rating, a leather upper, and a flexible rubber sole complemented by a memory foam cushioned insole for all-day comfort. At $64.49, it sits at the premium end of this list, reflecting its emphasis on protection and cushioning alongside brand bag reliability. Performance-wise, the combination of a steel toe and rating makes these suitable for environments with potential live electrical exposure or heavy impact hazards. The memory foam insole offers notable step-in comfort, though long-term durability will hinge on the leather upper and sole durability under oil, solvents, and grate, commonly found in workshops. The shoe's weight is not specified, but the construction suggests a sturdy but manageable profile for all-day wear, and the outsole appears designed for decent traction on varied shop floors. Users with wider feet or those needing extra arch support might appreciate sockless testing, since the memory foam may compress or it may lead to poor firm support.
List number 2. Skechers Women's Alpha Cup Corley Sneaker. This review category focuses on mechanics-oriented footwear. The Alpha Cup Corley sneaker is a fashion-oriented Skechers option with mesh and synthetic upper and a memory foam luxe midsole. Priced at $61.06, it targets everyday comfort and style rather than industrial safety features. While it's a credible option for light-duty tasks and warehouse environments, it does not advertise steel toe or electrical hazard protection comparable to the work-focused models in this list. In practical terms, this shoe excels in comfort and breathability, especially for indoor use or light-duty tasks that don't involve heavy impact or live electrical exposure. For mechanics performing occasional tasks that don't involve standing near heavy machinery, this sneaker could serve as a casual alternative. However, it lacks the explicit safety certifications, steel toe, which limits its suitability for high-risk shop floors or outdoor job sites. Expect softer impact protection from the midsole, but not the robust protection needed on a crowded shop or outdoor job site.
List number 3. Skechers Men's Work Delson 3.0 SR Slip-On Shoes. The Skechers Work Delson 3.0 Slip-On offers slip-resistant performance with a focus on ease of use and daily wear. Priced at $35.60, it represents a budget-friendly choice within the work category. The model emphasizes slip resistance and electrical hazard protection combined with a lightweight profile, making it attractive to technicians who value quick on-off and minimal fatigue. From a performance standpoint, the slip-on design reduces time spent lacing up between tasks, and the slip-resistant outsole is well-suited to slick workshop floors. The inclusion of electrical hazard protection adds a safety layer for environments with potential electrical exposure. However, as a slip-on, it may offer less lockdown around aggressive movements or ladders compared to traditional lace-ups. Cushioning is adequate for moderate shifts, yet heavier workers may prefer extra support or a thicker midsole for longer periods. List number 4. Steel toe shoes for men, lightweight work shoes. The Baiyi Jia option is a budget-focused steel toe sneaker designed to deliver essential protection without frills. At $34.39, this is the most affordable option in the lineup, offering steel toe protection in a lightweight package with a versatile, everyday look suitable for both men and women. In actual shop conditions, its success hinges on the balance between protection and comfort. The lightweight construction may reduce fatigue during long shifts, but the protection level, single steel toe rating, overall build quality, may lag behind more established brands. Traction and durability will largely dictate performance on oily floors and rough surfaces.
This model is best for budget-conscious buyers who still need basic toe protection and a non-bulky silhouette for mobility.
List number 5. Larnmern's Slip-On Steel Toe Shoes Men Lightweight. Larnmern's slip-on steel-toe loafers aim to blend comfort with protection in a casual slipping-on silhouette. Priced at $37.75, this option sits as a practical middle ground for mechanics who value easy on-off and a more relaxed fit while still requiring toe protection. Performance-wise, the loafer's slip-on design supports rapid transitions between tasks, which is beneficial in fast-paced shop environments. The steel toe adds a safety layer for impact, though the overall outsole stability and grip depend on the specific tread pattern and rubber compound, which aren't detailed in the provided specs. For workers who prioritize comfort and frequent movement through aisles or elevated platforms, these can be a strong daily driver. However, those working around liquids or hot metal should evaluate slip resistance and heat management.